Next.js versus Remix. Which one is better? Let's find out. Next.js is a React framework for building server-side rendered and static website. It is ideal for developers who want a mix of performance, flexibility, and SEO-friendly rendering. Its strengths include built-in server-side rendering, static site generation, API routes, and large community support. Drawbacks include potentially more configuration for advanced features and slightly steeper learning curve for beginners. On the other hand, Remix is a full-stack React framework focused on fast, dynamic, and optimized web application. It's perfect for developers who want fine-grained control over data loading, caching, and web standards. Its strengths are nested routing, built-in data fetching, and enhanced performance, and minimal client-side JavaScript overhead. Limitations include smaller community compared to Next.js and fewer plugins or templates. Now let's compare them side by side. Next.js provides versatility with server-side rendering, static generation, and API routes, while Remix emphasizes performance through web standards and efficient data handling. Next.js is best for projects needing a large ecosystem and mixed rendering strategies, whereas Remix suits developers seeking fine-tuned performance and modern web standards. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. As always, thank you for watching. Until next,